All right, let me do a second take for you, just so that we can kind of flow through this. Welcome to Big Mo Country. Scene 1, take 2, action. Scene 1, take 3, action. Third take, intro video starting at scene 1. Intro video, complete run through, take 3, 5, who knows. Action. Welcome to the... Back up. Cut. I think my voice is squeaky. Start over. From coffee. Okay, pick up at the coffee. Final take intro video. Pick up at coffee. Start that sentence over. I'll share some barbecue trip. Start that sentence over. Cut. Back up to that whole barbecue sentence. I will share some tips. Hold on. Okay. Cut. Back up that sentence. Let me start this whole paragraph. Cut. And start that sentence. I'll share some barbecue tip. I will share some barbecue tips and trips. I will share some barbecue tips and trips. Trip. Why do I keep saying trips? Start over. Cut. Also, I hope to film. You'll still enjoy watching the videos as I learn and become better. Just cut it out as I learn. Let me start over. Cut. Before I got the brilliant idea to start videoing everything. That leads me to the base. Cut. All right. Cut. Show you how to win and back that up. That leads me to the lead. Cut. I have all these great hobbies as well as a few others we can get into. Later.
Oh! 6 hours later.
Ending scene, take 1. Take 2. Take 3. Exit, take 4. Take 5. Take 6. Take 7. No, scratch that one. Do take 7 over. And action. The Burpee XL16 with the, oh Lord, I did it again. Tip, take 34. Cut that. Cut. And final video for the seed starting. Take 1. Let me catch my breath. Start over. Stop it. Cut. Hold on. All right. Well, that's just... All right. Cut. Do I need to do any of that over again? Yeah. That's just gonna take 2, 3, whatever. All right, friends, that'll do it for this episode today. I want to thank you for stopping by the country. If you haven't already, Click that like video if you enjoyed the content today. Also, if you haven't, subscribe, ring the bell, so you're gonna edit all that. That was terrible. Even I know that was terrible. All right, the more I do this, the better I'll get though, right? And action. If you liked what you saw today, I'd love it for you to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Start over. I don't know how to, you gotta subscribe, like, ring a bell. Hold on, let me do it over. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode, friends. And remember, welcome to the country. Big Mo country. That was terrible. Even I know that was terrible.